here's the second part of how to convert from log to exponents form. So yeah. Now, this is much more like a little bit complicated as the first one. The first one is basic. Now it's just gonna go straight into really hard one. So your equation says y equals 6 log of base 2 to the power of x minus 7 in parentheses. And now this is where you ending up. Like you maybe it looks like okay. First time I look at this problem, I would say that hey, like we're gonna do the same thing. So it's changing the entire values, the variables. So I'm gonna change it to x equals logarithm of 2 with base 2, and like 2 to the power of y minus 7, and that's what you're gonna get. So when you get this, what are you gonna do? This is really specific, and you have to pay attention because this is really hardcore. So this thing, I'm gonna go the other way. I'm gonna set everything back, so you know that you gotta take log away, right? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the same thing, log away. So you're gonna have base of 2 to the power of x, and it's gonna be equals to 6 outside parentheses of 2 to y minus 7. And an inverse of operation of multiplication is divided by 6. Of multiply 6 is divided by 6. So after that, you're gonna divide by 6. But you're not divide by the bottom as the same thing from last time. But you're gonna divide it from the top as the power of the power. So you're gonna have these, but it's gonna be normal. So it's gonna be 2 to the power of x over 6, and then you're gonna be equal out to 2 to the power of y minus by 7, plus parentheses of that. So now it's gonna be normal. So now you're gonna want to walk through this over and over because it's going to be really strange. So you're going to leave the 2y, and you're going to have minus by 7. And now you're going to add by 7 to both sides, normal and basic algebra 2 and algebra 1. So you're going to get 2 to the power of x over 6 plus by 7, and you're going to equal it out to 2 to the power of y. Now you're gonna have that. So if you got this, you're okay. You're good to go. You're okay and a-okay. And what you're gonna do is you see this entire thing, yeah, you gotta log it. Not this part, but this part. You gotta log it to get rid of the power of y. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna do 2x minus x over 6 plus by 7 equals 2 log L. Oh my god, I'm bad. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna have the log log of 2 to y, and y is gonna stay normal. So now after that, you're gonna transfer everything over here. Just do everything, and what you're gonna get is y equals to log the log base of 2. You still have the base of 2. You gotta keep it. You're not gonna do anything with it. So now it's gonna be 2 x over 6 plus by 7, and that's your answer. Now I know it's a bit confusion because of this part. The explanation is really hard to explain why to put in log, but simply because of you already have one log and you already have an exponent of y. So basically, if you have an exponent of y, you just have to log it, and you basically just like bring everything over to one side and isolate y to its normal. So then you're gonna end up with y equals log 2 parentheses open parentheses of 2 over 2 to the power of x over 6 plus by 7, close parentheses, and that's your answer.